Hi everyone, welcome to my channel SISR Educator. Today I am going to show how to use a whiteboard or Jamboard in a Google Meet. So in this video I will show you how to use Jamboard inside of Google Meet. This is a new feature added to Google Meet to quickly open and share a whiteboard with all the participants or students of your online class or meeting. So now let us start. At first you have to click the Google Chrome or any browser. You just to click and to open, then you will get the interface of the Google, and here is the 9 dots of the Google Apps. Just to click, then you will get, or you will see the Google Meet of the Google Apps. Just to click here the Google Meet, then you get, here is the interface of the Google Meet. Just to click here, here is the new meeting of this option, and then you will get the URL of the Google Meet or user ID of the Google Meet. Just to click here and copy it, then close, and to just paste this URL of the Google Meet. Just to paste here and to click here as a join in a Google Meet class or the online class or the online meeting, and you will connect it as a Google Meet class, Google Meet online class. Now here is the interface of the Google Meet online class or online meeting. Now here is the three dots of the Google Meet. Now to click here, and you will get the whiteboard or Jamboard of this option. Just to click, and you will get the whiteboard option, and to start a new whiteboard, just to click here, then you will get the Jamboard or whiteboard of the Google Meet. And at first you see, here is a pen icon, here is the eraser icon, here is the select icon, here is a sticky note icon, here is the add image icon, here is the circle image, here is the text box image, or here is the laser icon. So there are different types of icon to use in your whiteboard or Jamboard and to share all the students in your class. Now at first you will select the pen to write any type of letter or sentence in your whiteboard. Now I am writing here SISR Educator. This is my YouTube channel, and to write the channel name Educator. So here is the option for pen to use in the whiteboard and to share all the students, and here is the eraser option, and to just to erase the letters or erase the sentence to use in the board as a eraser. Okay, so here is the eraser option, and to erase the sentence or letters in your Jamboard or in your whiteboard. Here is the select icon to use if you share the PDF file or any documents to share all the students. Just to select this option and to use in your whiteboard. Here is the sticky note, most important option to write. Here is the different type of sentence as a sticky note. Suppose I am writing here is a SISR Educator in my channel name, and to save as a sticky note. And if you edit this sticky note and to erase or just to click here the edit, duplicate or delete option, different duplicate, delete or edit, you can use as a sticky note and different type of colors. Now here is add image. Add image, just to click, and you will get the interface of the browse. Just to click here and to select this option and to add a image on your Jamboard. Here is the image, or to enlarge or smaller, and different type of options just to use and to share all the students as a add image option. Here is the circle option, and you will use the different type of circle symbol to use in your class as a geometry class. Here is the circle here is the square, here is the triangle, or different type of shapes to use in the geometry class. Here is the text box, most important box to write any letters or any sentence to share with all the students in your class. Now I am writing, here is the whiteboard, WHIT whiteboard. Just you have to write in this way as a text box, and here is the laser. And if you write or if you identify this any type of sentence to identify as a laser icon, to this is the laser icon to show in your class and to share all the students in your class or all the online meeting in all the participants. So here is the new Jamboard. If you need the another Jamboard, just to click here is the new Jamboard and to write or to, and if you need the another Jamboard, just to click here, and here is the set background and different type of set background and set more options so that, and to use as a set background and to share all the students in your class. And at last you will see the three dots of the Jamboard. Just here is the rename. If you rename this Jamboard and to just click here, and here is the download as a PDF file as a whiteboard if you use on your class, and save frame as a image, or the remove the Jamboard or the whiteboard and make a copy. So in this way you can different type of options to use in your Jamboard or in your whiteboard and to share all the students in your class. So thank you for watching my video channel. Just to like, share and comments and subscribe my channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.